So for today's video, I'm going to be looking at and reviewing this Molle panel. It's magnetic, it's external, it's made by Melipron. I've been seeing pictures of this in social media and stuff, so I'm excited that they sent me one to review. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So in the box, it's packaged pretty well. It comes with an instruction, little manual. Not really needed though, everything in this is pretty self-explanatory. The rest of it, nicely packed, nice and secure, so nothing got damaged. So now taking it out of the box, you're going to have the main Molle panel. It's actually super sturdy. Doesn't weigh hardly anything. It's easy to pick up. Then you're going to have, well, this one has, I think they call this a tool tray. So it's just a little shelf, kind of like a tray. Also made out of aluminum. And then a cup holder, single cup holder. You can get a larger size that has a dual cup holder if you wanted. Or you can get one that has no cup holder. And then you'll have 4 rubber-coated magnet mounts that can swivel so they don't have to be on a flat surface, and your hardware, obviously. So now, like I said, putting this together, easy. You're going to put the 4 feet on it. It kind of has this orientation. Even the little, like these little nuts on here, they're metal as well. So this entire thing, besides the rubber magnets, is made out of aluminum, which is pretty nice. Although these are kind of hard for me to tighten. Maybe it's just the size of my fingers, I'm not sure. So I think I'm going to probably Loctite those so I don't have to worry about tightening them in the future. And then these magnets can swivel, so I put them on the back of these chairs that are curved. You just don't tighten the wing nut on them until you get it like settled where you want it, and then once you have it where you want it, you go ahead and tighten the wing nut down. So it can go on kind of uneven surfaces and kind of make a stable platform or stable surface. Now putting the shelves in, easy. They just slide in. It is worth noting this can't be used vertically with the shelves they give you. But it is a Molle panel, so there's tons of stuff on the market that can be used with a Molle panel that'll fit this kind of grid setup. The cup holder is in, and they also give you these little hooks. And these little hooks, they can go anywhere. They can go inside the grid. They can go on this little shelf. There's these little notches cut out. You can, whatever your imagination wants to do, you can pretty much use it. Now to store it, you get these little plastic little tabs. They will fit in the circles in the Molle panel when you get it lined up just right so it doesn't want to wiggle. And then this wasn't in the instruction manual, so I kind of just, this is what I did with it. They give you a length of bungee cord and then a carabiner. And I believe you're just supposed to loop this through, and it fits in those little notches that I hung that hook on that one in on that cup holder. Feed it through. I think what I would do in the future is just leave this attached to the Molle panel and then just lift it and put the shelf under. But this is just the gist of how you do it, or how I believe you do it. So you just tighten it down. The bungee cord holds it down, and then the little plastic pins keep it from sliding. And then it's pretty, for being such a simple idea on storage, it actually holds it really secure. So that works for me. So now putting it on the van. Or I'm putting it on a van. If you put it on any vehicle, you're gonna have to make sure your vehicle is magnetic. The Ford Transit, magnetic everywhere, but not flat everywhere. So it's really nice that these can swivel and kind of reposition themselves so you can get the best spot. Here it is on the sliding door. You can put up on the driver's door. Like I said, like your imagination is your limit. You could hang shoes on this when you're going in and out of your van, hang towels. If you're cooking outside, you could use cooking tools, spices. Like it also fits back here, although horizontal, the sliding door will hit this if you open your sliding door all the way, but you have enough room to open these outlets. It's overall nice. And I think for the winter, I'll mainly use this to hold my ski equipment. You know, as I'm getting ready, I could hold my helmet, gloves, stuff like that. And then if I'm doing a project, you know, I could use this to help support tools so I don't have the tools sitting on the ground. So lots of uses for this. Can't wait to use it for those things. Can't wait to use it for camping. Camping, probably a lot of things I can do with it. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.